A computer is valueless without its CPU. Just like that, our bodies are useless without our brain. The brain is divided into two parts, the left side and the right side. Our human brain is part of our human anatomy. Our left side of brain mainly does many things like languages and speaking. We're reading and writing. Do you know what else our left brain does? Thinking and solving math problems. Do you know our brain also does thinking and emotions? Right side of the brain does other things. Our brain also releases pituitary glands to make us grow. Pituitary hormone don't work for a lifetime. See all the parts of the brain: frontal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, cerebellum, and brainstem. You know the brain is doing important work controlling our heartbeat. Only that, the brain also controls breathing. Hey, breathing is also important. The brain also controls muscle movement as well. The brain also releases dopamine, which causes crave, like when you crave caffeine. That's very interesting, right? The spinal cord sends messages to the brain, and those messages also go to the nerves. Those nerves send signals to the brain right back, and the brain also reacts. But a fun fact, friends, our eyes are connected to the brain. Our brain is the boss of the body. I hope I shared important facts about our brain. If you liked this video, I would consider everyone to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.